Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm not actually sure what I'm calling this video yet. My original concept was solving my biggest cleaning challenges. So that's what I did, and in the process, what I found and some of these tips ended up being total game changers. They are some of the best cleaning tips I've ever found, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. If you do like it, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here to my channel, my voice just cracked. That was awkward. If you are new here to my channel, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle videos. So if you are into those topics, then I would love to have you as a subscriber. Once I get to 900,000, which hopefully will be soon, I'm doing a huge giveaway. I get so excited for that. I've been saving up for months to do this for you guys. So with all of that said, let's jump into it. Number one is cleaning my beauty sponges. For some reason, I can never seem to get them fully 100% clean. I've tried special cleaners, I've tried all different types of tips, but this tip is so good. It will work no matter how dirty and gross your beauty sponge is. You can even get those sponges that you're on the verge of throwing out, and this will work. All you need for this is a bar of soap. Any bar of soap will work. Hold your soap in one hand, run some warm water, and then get in there and rub your beauty blender on that soap. This pushes the soap through the sponge, so it's cleaning it from the inside out. It gets every single speck of foundation out of your sponge. This works amazingly well. You can see here in the before and after. So this is my new go-to method. I also have the problem of getting my makeup brushes completely clean. What you want to do for this is get a cup and fill it up about an inch or so with hot water. To that, add a tablespoon of dish soap and then a tablespoon of vinegar. Put your brushes in this and let them soak. The more dirty your brushes, the longer you should let them soak. So once your brushes are soaked, there's one tool you need, and this is the secret tip. It is a comb. What you want to do is run it under water and use your comb to brush through the bristles. This will get all of the makeup out from inside the brush. So this is the one tool that you need that will really get your makeup brushes completely clean. You can see even here on the inside, there's no lingering makeup. So I absolutely love this tip. Next up is folding a fitted sheet. Does anyone really know how to do this? I always put in such a good effort. I start strong and then eventually I give up, roll it into a ball, throw it in the closet, and call it a day. I looked at and tried a bunch of different methods out there, and there's one that I found the easiest method that works so well. You want to take the two short ends of your fitted sheet, lay them onto the top of your bed. Then take the bottom two ends and fold them up and tuck them underneath the top two ends so you have something that looks like this. Now take the top portion and fold it over, and then the bottom portion and fold it over. Continue to smooth down the sheet as you're doing each of these steps. It will just help make it look cleaner. So then you have your long rectangle and you want to take a quarter from the end and fold it in, a quarter from the other end, fold it in, and then fold all of that into itself, and you have perfectly folded fitted sheets. Next up is mineral deposits on faucets or shower heads. I was showering the other day, I looked up and it looked nasty. So a really easy way to get this off without any effort whatsoever is taking a cloth, soaking it in distilled white vinegar, wrapping that around your shower head, let that soak overnight, remove it, then you can just wipe it down with a microfiber cloth to polish it up, and you have a like new shower head with very minimal work. Now we're going to talk about dish sponges and how to clean those. I personally don't like using regular sponges. They're just hotbeds for bacteria. It is more sanitary to use dish brushes because they have the synthetic fibers. They don't harbor as much bacteria in them. If you're using a dish brush that has a plastic handle to it, it's so easy to clean these. You just pop them in the dishwasher whenever you run it. But I recently switched to using this dish brush that has a wooden handle, so I can't put this in the dishwasher. And a way to clean this is by soaking it overnight in vinegar, then just rinse it with your dish soap and hot water, and you will have a nice and clean dish brush. If you have a kid in the house, it's just a fact of life that you're gonna have mystery stains. You don't know what it is, you don't know when it happened, and I found a method that's very easy for removing these. So you want to get a spray bottle, fill it with warm water, and then 2 tablespoons of dish liquid. So I use Dawn soap in here. Then you want to saturate this on a cleaning rag and dab the stain. It is key that you do a dabbing motion versus vigorously rubbing it. That's actually just gonna make it worse. After a few minutes, the stain should come up. Then you take another rag, soak that in cold water, and then put that on the area, and that will just clean up all of the remaining soap. Then get a few paper towels, stack those on top, put something heavy to weigh that down. That will soak up all of the excess moisture, and then in the morning just remove that, let it air dry, and the stain will be gone. Next is the problem of yellow pillows. Yellow pillow. I feel like everyone in their house has that one gross yellow pillow, at least one. If you're wondering why your pillows get yellow in the first place, it is from drool and sweat, and there's bacteria in there, and it turns yellow. So yeah, kind of gross. You don't have to throw them away. They can actually be salvaged. So the first step in this is soaking your pillow. You want to have hot water and put a cup of baking soda and a cup of powdered laundry detergent, and let it soak for at least half an hour or longer if you can. Also check the tag to make sure that your pillows are washable. This is not going to work for down pillows or memory foam pillows. So once they've been soaked, put them into your washing machine and pick the longest cleaning cycle that your washing machine has. Then you want to dry it on the air fluff cycle, and you have fully renewed pillows. So over the past several months, I have become a coffee addict, Exhibit A, and I was noticing that for some reason my coffee was not tasting right. And after I looked into it, I found out that our coffee makers get mineral deposits that build up over time. So you have to clean them in a special way in order to fully clean them out and get your coffee tasting good again. So what you want to do for this is get distilled white vinegar and put in the water component, 50% water and 50% distilled white vinegar, and run your coffee maker. So after you have run it with the vinegar, then run it 2 more additional times with just water, because you want to fully rinse out all of the vinegar. And once you do that, you will be amazed by how much better your coffee will taste. I saved the best for last. This is probably my personal least favorite thing to do, and that is replacing my duvet cover. Why is this so difficult? I've tried so many different methods and I never really found one that fully worked and that was easy enough. But then I found this. It is called the California roll method. This is gonna blow your mind. So what you do for this is you take your clean duvet cover, flip it inside out, and you want the opening of the duvet cover to be at the foot of your bed. Then you put your comforter on your bed and align it so match up all of the 4 corners. Then go to the head of your bed and start to roll your comforter and your duvet cover like you're rolling a burrito. Just roll the whole thing up. So once you get to the end, you reach your hand inside to the corner of the duvet and you flip that over the end of the burrito. So the right side of the duvet cover should be showing. Then go do that on the other corner. Then you begin to roll your duvet cover out along your bed, and like magic, you have your duvet cover on your comforter. It is so easy. All right, guys, so those are some of the solutions to my personal biggest cleaning challenges. If you guys did like this and get something from it, please give this a thumbs up and leave your cleaning challenges down in the comments. I will tackle them in a future video. I'm excited to do it because this was fun for me. This is the kind of thing that I find fun. And I know some of you will be commenting that you missed Carter. I didn't post a weekly vlog last week. That is because I have a lot of crazy stuff going on. I will be filling you in soon. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. I'm trying to post more Instagram stories of him in between videos. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.